Whoa. This isn't right. I really don't think that was correct.
Yes, I'm going southbound.
Okay, let me transfer you over.
911, what is location?
I'm behind the driver. It's a kind of
What kind of vehicle is it?
It's a Dodge Ram.
What color?
I think it's silvery or gray. He's like all over the place. He just, he just wrecked. He just wrecked. Right
He
here.
just wrecked?
Yeah, he just wrecked.
Okay, where at?
Right underneath the McEwen Road exit.
Under the McEwen.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know what the condition
Can I
is.
get your name?
Yes, it's James Partain. He looks like he's out of the vehicle.
Okay, what's your last name?
Partain, P-A-R-T-A.
Anh ơi, hình như cái trái này là quay lại chỗ bờ sông à?
Không,
Cái bờ sông sau lưng mình.
nó không thẳng. Đây là cái phi đường đi.
Ui. Oh, damn it.
What are you talking about? Like, I was already established in this lane. This isn't a parking lane. I got it on video right here. Turning where? You? All right. I mean, I think I was in your blind spot and you missed me. I got it on video. Like, you can't just. I think I was in your blind spot because, like, I was. All right, let's do this.
Oh!
celle d'hier, pas plus de 2 à 7 degrés sur une moitié nord jusqu'à l'Auvergne-Rhône-Alpes, mais 8 à 14 degrés du sud.
Ah bah ouais, mais c'est rouge, hein.
Et jusqu'à 17 en Corse.
C'est rouge.
Demain, ce sera souvent gris et humide et encore froid le matin.
Les prévisions météo.
Yes, it's bizarre, like being creative, and it's like you have to play the freaking game, like the American. Oh, damn.
Way.
Oh my gosh, wait. No. Alright, hold on. Well, you guys, yeah, we're gonna, let me just pull over, see if this person.
Yeah.
Are you guys okay?
Yeah, we're fine.
Alright.
What are you doing?
Go! You can't go here. Go! If you miss your exit, take it again.